So on the trailer here, before we move on any more on the roof, I need to clad these corner posts in some steel. So I've just measured the widest piece I need to bend is about 53 inches. Right, so I've cut these girders. I'm going to use these as like, you know, like the feet. Now we've got that cross piece in, I'm going to put some more braces in to make it like proper strong on socks. I can imagine when you try to force that steel round to bend it, that everything will want to move, you know, so we'll make sure it's super strong. So I'm pleased with this now, it's all lovely and flat. So that this piece is going to go on that, and then I'm going to use this angle, that's going to trap the galvanised sheet down. So I think we could do with making some hinges for each end. Got us hinges made now. I'll put a centre drill in each end, so when I position it on where it folds, I can get the centre point in the exact right position. So I'll just try and show you close up what I've done here. So I've obviously notched out these pieces are exactly the same thickness as these. So the centre line, I've cut some like little tiny, so that should lay in there. Get that one. Put a little weight on that. So that there, as you can see, get you a different angle. That'll be perfectly aligned. Just need to cut a tiny piece out there because when it's folding up, just touching that edge. So I'll just cut well, I'll knock the pins out and then I'll cut just a tiny bit off there. So I've ground that down now, just give it a bit more of a chance to trap the steel. So now we'll get a bracket on each end. So that seems to be alright. So now I'm just going to see if I can make a pressure point to put some pressure in that middle part there. Because I reckon when we lift it up, it's going to want to move that middle part. So I'm quite confident now that everything's in right position, and fingers crossed it works. So I'm going to just drop back now, get everything welded solid, and we'll see if it works. So she's all welded up now. Let's give her a try. Beautiful. I've made it so these tensioners on this bit can come out, and vice versa, that'll come out. And then if you're folding anything over itself, 2mm thick, well, it's pretty. See if she bends it. It seems to bend it okay. I mean, you can adjust the angle. I'm pleased with that. We'll give it a lick of paint now.